How to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest on your device. Open the post that you want to download. Click on the share icon at the bottom and then click on copy link. After you click on copy link, open Chrome and search Pinterest video downloader. After you search Pinterest video downloader, click on Pinterest video downloader. Then there, paste the link and then press on download. After you press on download, click on download the video. Now after this is completed, the video will be saved in your gallery. And this is how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Call, question, or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.